guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video today I have a few things from Amazon and I thought I would jump on here and share it with you guys. So the first thing I got was 2 packets of gels from Amazon, obviously Born Pretty, and they're like sort of autumn colours and sort of Halloweenish sort of. And they always come with this little leaflet in the box. I thought I'd just show you this. You can pause this and have a look if you like. So I did notice when I was looking at the numbers at the bottom that they were the same. I don't know if that was accidental or by purpose or whatever. So I'll just show you what I mean. Like the numbers at the bottom, CC02 and another one said CC02, but they're actually two different shades, which you'll see as I swatch them. And I was thought that, I think I put the ones that are more nude with an N on it, and the ones that were just not as nude, but I know what I mean. Just left them how they were. So I've done the swatches and that already. I just wanted to show you quickly what I do. As you may remember what I do with my label machine. So I just type it in on here. Obviously for the nude ones I added an N at the beginning of the C. 00 and whatever the number was, and then printed it off. So I did an N for like neutral or nude, so I know which ones are what, and then I wrote it on the bottom of the bottle with a pen, just an N. Yeah. And then I chop them to the right length, make sure they've got a heart on each side. That's how I like to do them. And then I place them on the swatch stick, and then I use a craft knife to cut off the excess so they're crisp and not hanging over. There we go. Now into the swatches. So I've done the C0, 0, 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And yeah, so this one's sort of like a beigey with a sort of grey undertone. Really nice and creamy, as you'll see. So I do end up doing 2 coats of each colour. So this is the first coat, but they're pigmented anyway. I always give them a shake before I swatch them, just to make sure that the colour and that's all mixed together, just where they've been in transit and stuff. This is the second one. A lot of the colours on camera look a bit lighter, but I will like insert a picture of the actual picture from Amazon. They look more like that in person than they do on my camera for some reason. This is the third one, like a sort of yellowy mustardy colour. And then this sort of orangey one. That pumpkin orange, I'd say. And the fifth one is sort of like a brick red. It's not as cherry looking, like browny. It's a bit more brown than how this looks actually. And then the last one of this set. And this comes out looking really cherry on camera, but it's not. More of a deep brown with a hint of burgundy. So this is the picture from Amazon. As you can see what they actually look like compared to what my camera makes them look like. But they look more like that Amazon picture in person. And this is after 2 coats, and they've all been top coated with Neo Nails Urban Graffiti top coat. All very pretty, lovely colours, perfect for autumn and Halloween vibes. Now for the second lot of colours, they're more like neutral, or nude. And as you can see, this colour is really pretty. It's like a sort of melted chocolate colour. There was one colour that I had to insert later on of this video or a picture because I didn't have enough swatch sticks. But you'll see. And so this is the first one, I think. Or the second one, I can't remember. It's sort of like a white, but it's sort of, in person it's more off-white compared to what it's like on camera. And I'll compare that with a white that I have later. Again, I'm showing you with one coat, and then at the end I'll show you with 2 coats once they've been top coated as well. So this one's like a sort of beige or a peach colour. And this one's slightly darker, more of a nude to beige. Or beige to nude, tanned, sort of. Then we have this one that's like caramelly colour. And then this one, a bit darker than the previous one. And this is why I didn't have one for the last one, but I'll insert that in just a moment. So this is all the ones I did manage to swatch after 2 coats and been top coated. They're very pigmented, very nice, neutral sort of autumnish colours. Really nice and pigmented. Oh, this is where I wanted to compare the white. So that white on the right is an actual white, and then the one on the left is the one from this Born Pretty. And you can see it's more of an off-white than a pure white. And here's that final colour that I managed to swatch once I received the swatch sticks. And then this is the picture from Amazon, and you could tell the difference there. But these are all the ones together. Ignore the black and white at the end there. So yeah, this one was a short video. But I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!